Although I'm not really a big fish person, I do like experimenting with food, and I've been using more and more fish in my recipes lately since I've been making videos, such as today, where I'm going to melt some tuna for a tuna melt. It is actually quite easy to make a tuna melt, though you need, as you can see, quite a lot of ingredients. Of course, we will start with some tuna from a can. This is about 100 grams, or let's say 2 big tablespoons of tuna. We will put this in a bowl. The tuna we will set aside for a moment while we focus on some pickles and a shallot. This shallot is a small onion, and we're going to use half of it. So, to make tuna melt, cut your half shallot into small pieces. Together with 3 to 5 tiny pickles. Also cut these into small pieces. And now most of your cooking part is done already. We're going to add these ingredients to the tuna. Together with 2 tablespoons of mayo. Half a teaspoon of rough mustard. A pinch of salt and pepper. Oops, that's a little bit much. And a teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix everything together as best as you can. What you have now is a tuna salad, but to make a tuna melt, we're going to add some more things. Get yourself some bread. Layer your bread with a slice of cheese, your salad, another slice of cheese, and another slice of bread. Apply some butter to the outsides of your bread on both sides. And bake in a pan till golden brown all around. I hope you're hungry. Well, that looks pretty good. It's very drippy. You can of course add more cheese if you want a nice pull, but this is quite a meal already. Let's see what it tastes like. Warm tuna and molten cheese on toasted bread. You can't go wrong with this. I'm not a big fan of onion in general. Because raw onion upsets my stomach. But this is alright. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.